In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically translate pages in Google Chrome. This feature can be incredibly useful if you often find yourself browsing content in languages other than your native tongue. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to open your Chrome browser. In the top right corner, you should see 3 vertical dots. These dots represent the More Options menu. Click on those dots to open a drop-down menu, and from there, you want to select Settings. This is where you'll find most of Chrome's customization options, allowing you to tailor your browsing experience to your needs. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a menu with various categories. Find and click on Languages. This section specifically manages how languages are handled within your browser, including translation features. Now that you're in the Languages settings, scroll down until you find a section labeled Google Translate. By default, this might be turned off. Go ahead and toggle the Use Google Translate option to the on position. This activates the auto translation feature, making it so that Chrome is ready to step in whenever you encounter content in a foreign language. You might want to have specific languages translated automatically. To do this, look for the option that says Automatically Translate these languages. Right beneath that, there's an Add Languages button. Click on it, and you'll see a comprehensive list of languages that Chrome can automatically translate for you. From this list, select the languages you frequently encounter and want to be translated without having to prompt each time. For example, if you often browse French or Spanish websites, select those languages. Once you've made your selections, click Add. This ensures that Chrome recognizes your preferences and acts accordingly without further input from you. Now that you've set everything up, your part is mostly done. To see these auto-translation settings in action, simply refresh the page you're currently on or navigate to a site written in any of the languages you've selected. Chrome should automatically translate the page, making the content accessible and easy to read in your preferred language. There you have it. With these steps, navigating foreign language websites becomes a breeze, as you no longer need to manually translate each page. Chrome handles it for you, enhancing your browsing experience by providing seamless, automatic translations. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes your online interactions a bit easier. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly translated web content.